guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day today. I do apologize, it is rather late here. I couldn't sleep, so thought I would do a video that I had been putting off. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. I have some new products that are not new, but they are new to me. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Long Wear Concealer. I got this from BoxyCharm out of the Charm Room. Now this reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm not real big on thick concealers, and this one is thick, but it is nice and it is brightening. I do like the way that it looks. But like I said, it is a little thick. So, got that with my charms and I have been trying it out. The next thing that I am trying out is the Peach Blur from Too Faced. Now, I watch a lady named Leanne Saro. I will put her name right here because I always feel like I butcher it. I love watching her. She is so informative. She does the Sephora sales, the Ulta hauls, TJ Maxx. She has a little kitten now, Nugget. Anyway, she is amazing and I love watching her. But this is what that looks like when you open it. It does have the little peach embossed powder embossing. And it does smell like peach. It is amazing and I have enjoyed it. It does blur out your skin. I like it. So, I will leave her name down here. Please do go check out her channel. Do tell her that I sent you. I would greatly appreciate that. But when I got that, I got the NARS sample size of the Orgasm blush. Now, I would not spend my money on this simply for the fact of the name of it. But I am wearing it today. It is a nice, shiny blush. And it's just a light, buildable blush. The puppy is in here and she is chewing on her food bowl, so you will hear her. But there is that blush. Like I said, I do like it. It is buildable. It's not that bam in your face blush. I don't care for that myself. But I am liking this blush and I have been using it. And I'm glad that I finally got to try it and didn't have to buy it full size myself. And then I'm trying out the new to me. It's the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer. I have one in MG2 and one in TN3, and I have been mixing them. I'm not to my winter skin yet, but I'm not in my summer skin. So together they are almost the perfect match. It is what I'm wearing today, and I love the coverage. I love the way it makes my skin look. I heard about this from Alexandria Ryan and Raw Beauty Christie. I will also leave those names down here. I'm sure everybody has heard of those people. But if you have not, please do go over and check out their channel. I think they are amazing people. I love watching all of those people. And then I got you know how I'm obsessed with my brushes. Well, the SL Miss Glam brushes, this was the one that I had. I ordered it from Ipsy. And then I got this one, I want to say in July or August. Either way, they are both by the same company, and I love these brushes. This is almost one of my favorite brushes. So when Ipsy had the cotton candy set of SL Miss Glam, one second. Okay. the set of the SL Miss Glam brushes, I just could not have them. They are so pretty. Pink and blue tipped. And you get 7 brushes. And I think I paid $18 or $19 for this set. And they are so super soft. And I have used them. And they have come back to the pink and blue like they are supposed to. So I was very happy with that purchase. And I have them sitting in my Mermazing wine glass. So I wanted to show y'all that. I did enjoy purchasing those brushes. And now the biggest thing for this video is I have finally thrown my money at this brand. I have not tried this brand before, and I don't know what took me so long, but I have finally tried it and I am in love. And we are talking about Colourpop. So I did go over a little overboard, but that is me. So, and these are $12 a palette. I mean, for 9 pans, $12, and they have Afterpay if that's something that you're interested in. It's amazing. But I wanted to go ahead and show you all these palettes. I'm sure everybody has seen them, but like I said, they are new to me, and I will be doing a video on each one of them with a different eye look for the people that care to actually watch them. This is the Colourpop California Love. It does not have a mirror in it, but these colors are so super pretty. I will go ahead and show y'all a couple of them. I'm going to do the Diego. I mean, just glides on beautiful. Pigment is there. And then let's do Sequoia. It's this mustard yellow color, which I'm on the hunt for a mustard yellow color that is beautiful. In my Alien palette, that's about the closest mustard yellow color I have come to that I per se like. But that one's pretty too. Then we will go into El Captain is my favorite. I wore this the other day and my husband just loved it. It is a pretty shimmer glitter effect. I think it's pretty. When you use it, you do get glitter all over your face. Even when you wash it off, it's still there. But it's beautiful. And then let's go with the Bay, which is down here in this bottom corner. And there is that very pretty, nice transition color. So that was California Love from Colourpop. Now we are going to go over the Baby Got Peach. This is the newest one they have just come out with. I'll take that back. The newest one they just came out with is called Whatever. And I will shortly have that one too. But before that, these monochromatic palettes that they have been doing, Baby Got Peach. And on the back, they have these little asterisk signs next to the colors. These are not intended for, how'd they put it? Not intended for use in the immediate eye area. Now that can be from the glitter or the fact of staining your eyelid. But if you wear colors, you should be used to your eyelids being stained anyway. There's what that palette looks like. It is very, very pretty. And this color, and this color, they say are not eye safe. I say you do what you want. Just be careful with the glitters. They are rather chunky, but they are so pretty. Just beautifulness. beautiful. And then the other one was Centerfold, that they say is not eye safe, which I don't understand why. It's a nice color. And then Darling, which is just so light. I don't get it, but it's what it says, and you can barely see it because of my skin tone. But that was that palette. Ow, I smashed my finger in there. The next one I got was the Honey. Now, I'm not real big on yellows, but my daughter's favorite color is yellow, so of course I had to get this palette. And on this one, the ones that they say are not safe. First of all, this is what that palette looks like if you have not seen it. And Palooza and let's see, how did they do that? Totally Buggin'. They say are not safe for immediate eye use. Again, I say it's up to you and what you're comfortable with. I know that I will be using them on my eyes, but it's all how comfortable you are. Then the Orange You Glide, which everybody knows, orange is my favorite color. That is what that palette looks like. And the middle row is what they're saying is not eye safe. Again, here is that glitter. And a lot of people are upset. Why would you put a glitter in there if it was not eye safe? It's a pressed pigment or a glitter. They're all not eye safe. This is no big secret. It's been around for a minute. Then the Strawberry Shake palette. This is what that palette looks like. Again, it is very pretty. And the, let's see, My Milkshake, Take a Sip, and Daiquiri are the ones that they say are not eye safe. And that Take a Sip is just a beautiful, beautiful color. They have pigment. I was very shocked when I got these palettes and opened them and looked at them and touched them. But there is that. And it does have small glitters in it, but the camera can't really pick that up. And pigment. It's there. Then we have the It's My Pleasure palette, which is the purple palette of purple colors. Hence the purple packaging. But there is that palette. And all of these are eye safe. Every color in there is eye safe. Then we have the Just My Luck palette, because green is my color, my go-to color. So had to have this one also. And that is what that palette looks like. And again, all of these colors are said to be eye safe. So, there was the start. Oh! There was the start of my Colourpop collection so far. I did make a list of the other ones that I want to get. I believe there's 10 palettes left. I want to get the Soul palette, the Mar palette, the Brown Sugar palette, the Zodiac, the Ooh La La, Sweet Talk, and then the new Whatever palette that just launched, the Blue Moon and the Main Squeeze, which I was not going to get those palettes simply because Blue Moon is all blue colors and I have blue blood, And then Main Squeeze is all red colors, and I have blood sugar. So I wasn't going to get those two. But to stay in the realm of the monochromatic palettes, I'm going to go ahead and do so. Just so that I have all of them. And nobody's left out. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I know that I enjoyed making it. I love when I get to bring y'all new people to go try out and watch, or different items that I am trying at the moment. That is, of course, what I feel YouTube is all about, especially in the beauty community. I deal with makeup all the time, so I watch makeup people all the time. And there are some that I love, and then there are some that I pass on. But when I like them, I keep coming back. I do comment. I enjoy their content and them as a person. So anybody that I mentioned, I do hope that you go and check out, see if you like them. And those glitters, they do stay. They will be all over your face, but it's not that bad. The other day I tried one of the palettes and used the glitter for my highlights, so that was pretty cool and different. And as usual, I will let you know what I'm wearing today. On my eyes, I am wearing the new Morphe Jeffree Star palette. I am wearing the this color channel Calabasas and Fast Lane. And then on for my shimmer, I'm wearing the Welcome and Designer Label in my inner corners and my brow bone. I am loving this palette. There will be more looks with this, so if you have any interest or looks you would like for me to do, if you comment them down below, I will totally try to do that. And then as far as my lips today, I'm wearing the NYX Lingerie in Exotic with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Kristen in the middle. And then, of course, my CoverGirl Razzle Dazzle on top, just for that little bit of shimmer. But that is my video. I did get my hair done. The fall is coming, and I couldn't take the blonde anymore, so we are back to dark brown. I did try out my new Amika straightener that we got from our FabFitFun box, and it works amazing. It makes the perfect curls. Just amazing. I'm also trying the leave-in repair balm that we got in that box also, and my hair feels so strong and healthy, shiny. It's just, I'm loving my new stuff. So either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to stop by and say hi and watch what's going on. I am still waiting on my boxes to be here. Boxy Luxe and Ipsy are said to be here by Saturday. This is Friday morning. So hopefully pretty soon those will be up. If you like these kind of videos, do let me know. Do comment down below. If you have any questions on what's going on with the new makeup that I'm using, I would be glad to answer that. And I guess until next time, as always, you stay beautiful. Bye.